Ask Tom on Home Show.
Zachary from Paris, Texas has a question about vaulted insulation.
Yeah, he's talking about this vaulted ceiling in particular, Tom. And Zachary writes to us, we have a vaulted ceiling with a metal roof. And it's an old building, and the metal is installed directly on the ceiling with no air gap or insulation. We're planning on replacing the metal soon, and I'm hoping you can help me with options for some kind of insulation we can install under the metal. What say you, Tom?
I don't think you should. I think you should go ahead and put the metal right back to the roof because of two reasons. One is it keeps it quiet, although if you did a hard insulation under there, you could do that too. But it's the fastening of the metal to the structure that you would have a challenge with. Now, if you wanted to put some insulation in there, what you would do is run purlins across. You could do 2x4s. And then you do that about every 12 to 16 inches. Let your roofer decide what the spacing should be. And you could put styrofoam insulation between those 2x4s. That would be 1.5 inches of insulation, so that would keep it quiet, and put your metal roof to that. But at least it's to a solid deck, and you would have that structure to nail to those 2x4s, which would be nailed to the rafters on your roof. So if you really wanted to go to that extra expense, that's how I would do it, is with 2x4 purlins. I would use 1.5 inch insulation between them, and they would be going horizontal up the roof. The spacing would be set by the manufacturer of the type of metal roof you're getting, and then have the metal roof put to it. So that would be if I was going to insulate it. I don't think I would. I think I'd put it directly down because I think the cost is going to be high, but I'm not sure what the end of your project is supposed to be, so maybe it's worth the investment.
Tom, I look at his roof and I see those wood, that planking there. It almost looks like what do you call that? Not the beadboard, but the
no, that's a tongue and groove. That's called a center match.
All right, yeah. So I look at a roof like that and I wonder to myself, isn't there at least some R value in that wood absorbing some of that heat? Or I mean, isn't that helping at all?
Everything has an R value. Airspace, a brick, wood. Is there going to be enough for a roof in Houston to give you an energy efficient home? No. Do you have to beef up your air conditioner and have some more capacity to be comfortable and look at the beautiful roof that somebody worked so hard to put in? Yeah, you're looking at the character of the house. What it gets to is the expense of how much would it cost to try to put 1.5 inches of insulation, which will give you some more R value, but not a ton of it, that's for sure. And you can't make an attic with a radiant barrier and attic ventilation and insulation and all this stuff. You're not going to create that kind of building envelope section that you would in a typical home. So you have to decide, it's a compromise. I'm going to live with this. We'll use more energy, no doubt about it. We'll have to have greater capacity, but we're living with this roof that we want to look at and the type of house that we want the interior space to be. And that's what people have to compromise. It's not always just energy efficiency, because your life would be living in an igloo cooler and that would be it. No windows, no doors, nothing.
Who wants that? But what you want is good
a
answers.
Beer can.
Go to HomeShowRadio.com with your beer can in hand if you like. Click on that blue Ask Tom button. It'll take you to this page, or you can fill out the form and send it in just like you're hearing here today, and we'll answer it. You can send pictures too. When you send us pictures, it helps so much to understand what the problem is and get you a better answer. And that's what Tom likes to do. It's why we do it every day, 7 days a week. 52 weeks a year. There's a new one posted at HomeShowRadio.com and on the Home Show Radio Facebook page and our YouTube channel, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel. When you're there and you're watching one of them, help us out. Give it a thumbs up. That makes them easier to find.